Planning your wardrobe, whether you are sewing your wardrobe for yourself or whether you are sewing for a client, there is more than just about planning. It's about this change, this new look. It's the new you that you want to create and design and bring into your lifestyle, into your wardrobe. So it's not just, I want to sew something new, or it's a new project, or it's a new order for a client. It's about finding out who you are, going a bit more deep, so much more about clothing and designing and the color and the fabric. And we are going to delve into all those different elements. Being a fashion designer for over 36 years, being an image stylist, an entrepreneur around this, creating services and products around this industry, coaching for many years with the image and the career and the confidence. I'm bringing it all in to help you to plan your wardrobe, to plan your designing, your sewing projects, from beginners, intermediate to advanced, and to those that are turning this into a business, and presenting and showing the world who you are through your clothes and through your style. Remember, that's your outer projection, but it's also the inner message that you are sending out. This is a whole new approach of planning your sewing, creating the wardrobe that you want with the psychology of confidence, what the messages are, the internal and external messages you're sending out. It's about dressing for success. It's about dressing who you really are. Planning your wardrobe is like planning the new you. It's about bringing in those new elements, the new designs, that new thoughts, that new values, or the new job, or the new personality that you want to change and you want to tweak and become. So it's this whole creative journey of planning your wardrobe and getting to know what it is you want, who you are, and putting it out into your clothing. And this is the kind of content that just stirs the inside of you and wants you to be different and to connect with who you really are. You present yourself, your confidence, and the way that you dress. Then I think you should have pressed that like button already and that share button as well. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Oh, and don't forget to leave any comments down below so that I can engage with you. Number one, no matter where you're going, always make an effort to dress up. By looking good, how does it make you feel? You're going to feel so much better because you made the effort. People are going to turn and look at you and smile and greet you and say, wow, you look so nice. What is that doing for you? That is already preparing you for the entire day, for the whole week, of giving you a bit more confidence to take on more challenges that maybe you wouldn't have wanted to or even thought of if you did not make that extra effort in dressing a lot better, in making that effort of planning your outfit and putting it together the best that you could. Feeling good, creating that high vibration energies of feeling great, it is worth so much. So why not try it? Number two, you want to plan your wardrobe. You need to start getting to know who you are. Who have you become right now? Not who you used to be 5 years ago, 5 months ago. It's about who you are right now. Because maybe last year's season to this year's season, your taste has changed. Things have changed. You've gone through different experiences and you're starting to have a different outlook in life. So suddenly your style, your colors have changed. So let's start off with, what colors do you love? What colors make you feel absolutely amazing? So let's start with color. Let's select 2 to 5 colors that you absolutely love. That is already giving you to start your planning of what colors you like. Diving into finding out who you are and who you've become to create this planning of these projects, this sewing wardrobe that you want to create for yourself. Step number 3, what kind of body shape do you have? Are you apple shape? Are you very lean and tall, like the column shape? Are you Are you an hourglass? Are you an introverted triangle? What is your body shape? Take some time and go and Google, look at Pinterest as well, of what type of body shapes are out there and what styles would absolutely suit them, suit your body. According to comparing your body shape, identifying your body shape with those body shapes that you are researching and having a look at. So now you're discovering your body shape. The next thing would be making maybe one garment at a time, and make something that you know is versatile. So let's look at perhaps something like a skirt or a jacket or a trouser that you can mix and match with other things in your wardrobe. Have a look at those designs and styles that you have seen that would suit your body shape. Look at the colors that you like. And now start looking at the patterns that you have. Do those patterns that you have, are they similar to the designs and styles that you took some time to research of what suits you? It's about using what you have. If it totally does not suit your body shape and styles and designs, then it's time to go to the shops and go and purchase a new pattern that you know now suits you, which is going to be sustainable, and you're going to be using it over and over again, maybe different colors, changing the style slightly, because you know it suits you and it makes you look absolutely good. Once again, it's building up your self-esteem, your self-worthiness, because you are valuing yourself. You are taking time to get to know who you are, because you are so damn important. So now you know the colors, your body shape, the designs, the styles. You're looking at the patterns that you've got. Look at the back of the pattern and see the type of materials that it suggests for you. Don't just choose a fabric if you don't know much about fabrics yet. Follow the guideline. This will help you. But you, of course, if you prefer a different texture kind of fabric that resonates with you and is part of yourself, part of your values of what type of materials that you prefer, something more natural, something more silky, more flowy, use that then, as long as it fits in the design of the pattern that you are making. The last thing would be is now you're starting this whole process of making this garment in the color, in the fabric that you want. Know the design suits you. When you go out shopping, you're looking at fabric stores and boutiques, have a look at the garment on the inside and look how beautiful it has been finished off. Make sure that your garments look just as beautiful on the inside. Now, if you are a beginner sewer, even intermediate, you have to make a few garments to perfect your sewing skills and the fit. That will come in time. So let me share this with you. When I was designing in large companies, and even when I do my own patterns, when I select a design to make it up, I have to do quite a few samples to get that perfect fit, that it fits correctly, that my pattern is 100% correct before it goes into grading, before it goes into production. The same would apply for you. Just because you make from home or your own studio, it doesn't mean that the first time you make the garment fits correctly and it's just right. No, you need to make a few. And also, when you are making garments for yourself or for your clients, you would need to take it in and take it out and change certain areas to fit those different body proportions and also imperfections. So that takes time to get that pattern to fit correctly. So then your pattern becomes tried, tested, and trusted. So now you are putting yourself out there in the world and you're looking absolutely amazing. You're telling people that you make clothes for yourself, or you're a designer and you actually make clothes for clients as well. And you want to feel proud that your garment looks absolutely beautiful. It's been finished off beautifully. It's been pressed correctly. That you're quite proud to open the inside of the garment and show them. They might even want to try it on. So you must take it off and feel absolutely good that you know that the inside and the outside of the garment looks spectacular. Just like you are presenting yourself on the outside with the garment that you're wearing, and the inside is your confidence that's radiating out to the world to say, I take care of myself and I value myself. Isn't that amazing? I'm creating an entire series of videos about planning a wardrobe, identifying who you are, as well as identifying what it is that you want to turn this into a business, all around the area of fashion, designing, your wardrobe, your mindset. So I'll see you in the next video. This is Tania Sutherland.